Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up your connector to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps needed to configure the connection, navigate Microsoft's complex interface, and ensure that your application has the necessary permissions to access company data. To begin, navigate to the Azure portal. Click on Microsoft Entra ID. You will land on the Myddleware application overview. In the overview, click on Manage. This will open a panel of different submenus. Click on App Registrations. This will show you the list of registered apps, including Myddleware. Once inside this menu, you can see two important IDs that you want to copy and save: the tenant ID and the client ID. Then click on Certificates and Secrets. You will see the list of secrets available for that application. Note that you will not be able to copy the secret itself unless you created it recently. No need to pay attention to the secret ID. You will not need it for this procedure. Now you need to create a new secret. Choose a name for it and a date of expiration. You will be able to copy the secret, so don't forget to save it. Now it's time to head over to your Business Central to allow the application. From the main page, click on the cog icon to get the settings. Then click on Admin Center. In the Admin Center, you can see a navigation bar on the left. Click on Microsoft Entra Apps. It will show you a list of authorized apps. Click on the button Authorize Microsoft Entra App. You will have to copy-paste your client ID in the field. Keep in mind that in this example, we already have this specific ID in the list, so we cannot save. But if you have to set a new application, then you can click on Save. For the last part, you will need to go back to your Business Central main page. We are going to do a search, so click on the magnifying glass icon at the top. Type Entra App, and this will automatically take you to a pop-up of the authorized apps. Click on the New button, and once again, you will have to paste your client ID. Enter a description as well, because it will be used to automatically generate a username. Most importantly, make sure to set the state to Enabled. Finally, set the permission at the bottom to D365 Read and click on Your Company in the Company section. That's it. You're all set up to use the Myddleware connector. No need to save. It's done automatically. It's finally time to create your Myddleware connector. Head over to the main page and hover on the Connectors dropdown. Then click on Create Connector. Select the Dynamics business to make the form appear. In order to create your connector, you will need the tenant ID, the client secret, and the environment. For the environment, you want to put production unless you have a specific sandbox environment. Don't forget to set a name for your connector and click on Test. If the light bulb is blue, then you can save it because you now have a working Microsoft Dynamics Business Connector. You are now ready to transfer data between Microsoft Dynamics Business Central and other applications.